What you guys, today we take a look at how to protect yourself against credit card hacks like flipperzero. Now, if you're shopping and someone is standing very close to you, they can actually capture your information on your credit card or your bank cards, and then they can clone these cards and use them against you and hack your account. So be very, very careful when standing close to people, because these flipperzeros will actually collect all of the data on your actual card. Now, if you've got an old wallet like this one, this is an old level wallet, which a lot of people have. They have all their cards inside here, and it doesn't have any protection against devices like flipperzero. Now, flipperzero will literally collect data from the actual strip itself and from the chip on the card. And then obviously cyber criminals can use this to create a card or a clone card of your information on that card. Now, the way you can protect yourself is with items like this, which is a wallet that has protection built into it, or you can use this RFID NFC blocking card as well. And I'm going to show you these. They're pretty affordable, and I'll leave some links in the video description. This video isn't sponsored. It's just me looking out for people this Christmas when they're out in very busy areas with lots of people where people can get really close to you. So you can see this is the wallet here, and you may be thinking that this is just some normal wallet, and you'll be wrong, because this wallet does have a lot of protection inside here. Now, in the notes area, there's no protection, but in the card area, you'll see there is this special material here which actually blocks any signals from copying the information on the card. So you can put all your cards inside here, and it will stop someone being close to you and copying that information to a flipperzero device. Now, you can pick these up for £15.99 on Amazon, or wallets of the similar like in your country. I'll leave some links in the video description, but you can see here, ultimate RFID protection. Our wallet has been thoroughly and rigorously tested to be proven to block all credit card, debit cards, and driving license and ID cards that operate with frequency of 13.56 megahertz from being read when stored within the actual card slots. So this really means that if someone is standing close to you, they would not be able to read that information. Now, another option available is if you don't want to buy a wallet, or you don't use this particular type of wallet, you can use these blocking cards. Now, these blocking cards will block all of the information from being copied. So you can see here, it tells you on the back that RFID NFC blocking, which means it will block all of this. No batteries are required. You just protect yourself by putting this inside your wallet or next to your card. Now, you can see the chip on here, and you can see this is a contactless card, which means you just basically put this on the machine and it will read the information on here that's stored in these strips. And this is what you want to protect yourself against. So you'd put it against these particular cards, that blocking card inside your wallet. And this is the actual wallet once you've got some bits in it, and it will be protected from flipperzero and things like that. Now, don't get paranoid and start freaking out, because what people are not telling you is you have to be pretty close to someone to be able to read the information on the cards inside here. Now, if you're in a busy shopping mall or shopping center and you're standing in a queue, someone could be right next to you, and that will give them the opportunity to collect the information on the cards that are stored in your wallet that could be sitting in your back pocket or a jacket pocket, and it would be able to copy that information. Now, if anything does happen to you, always go to Action Fraud. I'll leave the link in the video description for UK people, where you can report any sort of fraud against you this Christmas or any time of the year, really. And if you live in another country, always report this to the police, and also report it to your bank, and they will stop actions on that card immediately. So having something like these blocking cards or this wallet will protect you against the flipperzero or devices like it. Now, again, like I said, I can't stress enough, people need to be pretty close to you to get the information, but it don't just work on wallets and cards. It works on car locks, and it also works on safes and door locks that use this particular type of frequency. So bear that in mind when using this sort of technology. Another thing to protect yourself is if you bury the actual wallet or purse that you have in a deep bag with some protection, you can create a Faraday cage in that bag with some foil and stuff like that, and it will stop that from actually getting through and detecting the information on the card and copying it. So be very, very careful what you do when you're out there this Christmas, especially in areas with lots of people where they're close to you, in shopping malls and on escalators, on the underground, on the tube, things like that. Be very, very careful, because this is when they're in close proximity to you, and they can use flipperzero to collect information on your card if it's in close proximity to them with that device. Anyway, with that said, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who joined my YouTube members group. I appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the very next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.